Welcome to SCANITpro Engage, the attendee engagement add-on built into SCANITpro Lead Retrieval. In this tutorial, we walk through how Engage works and how to get started.
SCANITpro Engage is an optional add-on that helps event planners create a more interactive exhibit hall experience.
When exhibitors scan attendees using SCANITpro, those scans count toward event-wide engagement campaigns. These campaigns include prize drawings and scan-based programs, all configured by you, the event planner. No separate app download is required. Engage works within the existing SCANITpro experience, simple and friction-free. SCANITpro Engage creates value for everyone at your event: planners, exhibitors, and attendees. For event planners, you get a ready-to-use engagement program that adds a premium feature to your event. For exhibitors, Engage encourages more attendee interaction and supports better booth traffic throughout the event. For attendees, participation becomes more rewarding. They are incentivized to visit more booths without any extra apps. Let us walk through how it works. First, your event must be using SCANITpro Lead Retrieval. Contact Eventech or visit SCANITpro.com to activate Engage for your event as an event-level add-on. Once activated, access the Engage panel to set up your campaign name, participation rules, and prize information. Define your drawing schedule, when winners will be selected, and how the process will run. Review participation in real time as attendees visit exhibitor booths throughout your event. The setup is self-service and fits trade shows, conferences, expos, and meetings of all sizes. From the attendee perspective, SCANITpro Engage is seamlessly integrated into the event experience. When an exhibitor scans an attendee badge using SCANITpro, that scan automatically counts toward the campaign. Attendees are encouraged to visit more booths and participate, all without downloading any additional app. This creates a natural incentive that drives booth traffic and energizes the exhibit floor. For exhibitors, nothing changes. They continue scanning attendee badges exactly as they normally would. Those scans now carry added value. Exhibitors benefit as more attendees are motivated to visit their booth.
SCANITpro Engage is designed to work with existing event workflows, not against them.
SCANITpro Engage is available as an event-level add-on. To activate, visit SCANITpro.com. This has been the SCANITpro Engage tutorial, part of the SCANITpro Tutorial Series by Eventech. Thank you for watching. Visit SCANITpro.com for more information.